our ultimate apple crumble. Soft apples, chocolate and gooey marshmallows. Start by peeling and chopping 3 apples. Make your crumble topping by adding your flour, butter, cinnamon, salt and sugar to a bowl. Use your fingertips to work the butter into your flour until the mixture resembles coarse breadcrumbs and starts to clump together. To make your apple filling, add your apples, cinnamon and sugar to a bowl and toss to combine. Place your apple filling into ramekins, then cover with foil and pop into your Vortex Mini. Select air fry, set the temperature to 188 Celsius and set the timer to 15 minutes. Once the timer is up, remove your apple filling. Divide the chocolate and marshmallows between your ramekins, scatter over your crumble topping and ensure that your filling is fully coated. Place your s'mores crumbles back into the Vortex Mini on bake at 188 Celsius for 7 minutes. Once golden and crispy, you're good to go. Pour over a large serving of custard or top with a blob of ice cream and serve immediately.